Okay mga lods, basahin muna natin yung sinabi ni Maine Mendoza nung makalawa. Sabi niya gano'n, teka lang muna. Those are baseless allegations. And of course, si Arjo Atayde, yung asawa niya na may pictures ng mga diskaya, ay sinabi din niya na wala namang ibig sabihin yon. Okay? Of course, it wasn't a planned meeting and he vehemently denies any involvement sa mga contractor. Pero mamaya may papakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Kayo na lang ang bahalang mag-decide kung saan nyo dadalhin tong storya na to. Pero I guess you should be informed dito since si Arjo Atayde ay isang public figure, kailangan malaman nyo itong mga ganitong bagay. Okay? Please refrain from throwing hate and personal attacks at Klim, including me and our family until the facts come out. Okay? Fine. So, nitong mga nakarang araw mga lods, nag-research ako about dito sa issue na to. And nakakita ako ng iba't ibang mga, masasabi kong kahina-hinalang bagay. Okay? Simulan natin sa interview.
The congressman
nung pusas, joke lang. Yung pusang announcer, joke lang. Kaboses niya kasi yung, ang nanalo, si Eugene. Ito, interview kay Mayor Belmonte versus Kong Atayde. Rep Atayde walang alam sa pumping station project sa QC. So basically, this is what links Arjo Atayde to any flood control project. Okay yan kasi may personal testimony tayo sa alkalde ng Quezon City. Okay, let's listen in.
And of that district, I sought his help, and he did actually intervene and set up a meeting with me and the DPWH regional director.
Care to name the congressman?
Yeah, Congressman Atayde of the 1st District.
Okay, so you will see na si Atayde ang nag-set up ng DPWH meeting with Mayor Belmonte. Okay, pakinggan natin.
Of Quezon City.
And did it happen under his watch?
So yes, it happened under his watch. In fact, in the beginning, he told me he didn't know about
In the beginning, tali lang natin.
it. So, and I'm thinking, tuloy, I don't want to judge. Okay, so I'm thinking, is it possible that maybe the congressman just says to the DPWH, this area is flooded, pero bahala na kayo what intervention that might be possible. I mean, I don't really know the dynamics between the DP.
Kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng mangialam kung ano yung plano ng DPWH eh. Illegal yon. Pwede lang silang magsabi na ito yung problema, bahala kayo mag-solution. It's part of separation of powers ng isang government agencies and mga LGUs. This is the problem, please find a solution. We can merely suggest, okay? Tuloy natin.
The congressman, the contractor, I really don't know. I have no personal knowledge of what goes on or how they discuss or how they negotiate for these things.
I remember, even before this whole thing blew up in our faces, I remember...
Ang nagkakataka doon, why do they have to negotiate? Diba? Hindi ba dapat parang you have to put up the best solutions agad for flood problems, diba? Yun kasi yung issue rito eh. There's too much negotiation na dapat wala. Well, again, this is why we're in this mess, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, mga Lodi Bells. Dahil, well, sa mga ganitong galawan, kung ano ang involvement ni Arjo Atayde dyan, siguro that's for you to think kung ano ba. Pero ang akin lang, it's not impossible na wala siyang kausap na kahit sinong contractor based on this interview alone. Diba? Kasi kung nag-set up ka ng meeting, ano pa yung mga ibang, ano yung napag-usapan ng meeting? Siguro may kilala ka. Baka kilala lang. Kilala sa pangalan, pwede naman yan. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. May papakita pa ako sa inyo. Hindi pa naman tapos ang lahat. Tuloy natin.
For you and I having that chat and this topic cropped up. And I asked you one thing. I think you were also with some of your staff members then. And I said, but who signed off? May pumirma dyan para magkaroon ng pumping station dun sa creek.
Incidentally,
ito yung pump, kung meron kasing isang balita nun sa Quezon City na may pumping station kaso yung bateryang ginagamit yung parang yung baterya ng sasakyan, which is hindi dapat yon eh. Kasi mahina yung wattage nun. Of course, I'm not an engineer dyan. Pero parang medyo tinipid yon. Kaya hindi maganda yung solution. That's why million-million yung project, pero ang pangit ng mga linalagay na mga tools doon. Tuloy natin.
And I met him about it, tapos na yung project. And I just want to say na yung mga taong bayan, lagi akong kino-call out, bakit mo pinayagan, hindi mo nakita. Actually, nakita namin. Okay? Sinabi namin, tumigil kayo, magsisend
Gusto ko siyang makita. Kamusta niya si Alice Guo, di ba?
order kami. We did that. We wrote countless letters of opposition, but they still continued to build. So
walang kwenta in so many words, ang sinasabi dito ni Mayor, walang kwenta yung project na yon. Gusto pinapabago nila to the needs of the Quezon City people. Kaso hindi yun yung nangyari. Now, let me remind you then, siguro side note lang, na si Mayor Belmonte kasi is part of the Mayors for Good Governance. Kasama niya si Vico and si Mayor Magalong. So, do it what you will doon sa information na yun. But I'm just showing you na minus all the issues na meron si Mayor Belmonte, mukha talagang there's something happening. Okay? Between the congressmen, not only kay Aljo Atayde, but to those congressmen who has ever been involved with flood control project. Isama na rin natin yung mga senators, all of them, 'di ba? And contractors, 'di ba? Like for example, si Chis Escudero, yun kasi yung factually alam natin na tumanggap ng pera from a contractor. Inadmit tuloy natin.
After the first phase lang pala yun, it's a 97 million piece of infrastructure, and meron pa palang phase 2 and 3, which is another 250 million for the pump, the actual pump. No? And clearly this structure angered me because it was built on the creek. No, on the creek.
Yun. So, ayan yan. So, that's the whole interview, mga Lods. Now, naalala nyo ba si Wawaw, mga Lods? Na, di ba si Wawaw, yung laging mini-meme ngayon sa... Ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung memes ni Wawaw. Ngayon si Wawaw kasi, alam naman natin yan, isa yan sa mga top 15 contractors na top 15 contractors na lumalabas sa mga feed ninyo. Ayan. Ilan yan sa mga memes na lumalabas. Pinakagusto ko dito yung yung ginawa siyang yung bulag na samurai sa One Piece, yung vice general doon. Anyway, why am I pointing Wawaw out here? Kasi, ang ginawa ng mga netizens, hinalungkat nila yung buong Facebook page ni Mayor Atayde Congressman Atayde. And siguro kayo na ulit. Kayo na lang ang bahalang mag-decide kung ano ba ang meron dito. Okay, so, ito muna. Okay. Groundbreaking project, Culiat Creek Barangay Project 6. So this is what actually ang sinasabi ni Mayor Belmonte. Tingnan mo kung sino yung mga nandyan. Kilala nyo ba yan? Kung sino yan? Ito. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo. Kilala nyo ba yan? Kung sino yan? Mamaya makikita nyo kung sino yan. Anyway, magandang jumping point yan kasi ngayon, lumalabas yung mga resibo na eto, ayan, yari. Congressman Arjo Atayde. Pinost niya, and Wawaw Builders. Congressman Arjo Atayde. Contractor, Wawaw Builders. Contract amount, 50 million pieces! Congratulations! Ay, nawala. Construction of flood control structure and tributary along Culiat Creek, Barangay 6, Quezon City. Wala palang involvement, ha? Baseless pala, ha? Paano ngayon yan, Maine Mendoza? Paano mo i-explain yan? Na may reklamo si Mayor Belmonte about sa palpak na flood control project at may post si Congressman Arjo Atayde nung February 17, 2023. Ano to, AI? Ano to, lokohan? Paano ngayon yan? Di checkmate. Checkmate. Oh, game? Teka lang. Marami pa yan. Babasahin na kasi nga, wala na daw to doon sa main Facebook page ni Arjo Atayde. Tinanggal na yata. Pero I'm just showing you mga lods na may resibo tayo. Ayan. Galing sa Abante. Ayan. Kita nyo. Paano mo i-explain na baseless yung accusations? Of course, merong presumption of regularity to. Let's be fair and say this. Under law, may constitutional rights kasi ng bawat government official na yung mga projects na ginagawa nila enjoy what we call a presumption of regularity. Ibig sabihin, the project was made in good faith. Okay? Minus the testimony or the interview. Wag na testimony, wala pa naman sa korte ito eh. The testimony of Mayor Belmonte, this is supposedly working. Kaso, wow. Ayan. Sabi ng Abante, Arjo Atayde, binura ang post tungkol sa 50M flood control project kasama ang Wawaw Builders. Eto na. Ayan. Project eto, Arjo Atayde, added photos, groundbreaking Kulyat Barangay. Mga kadistrito, ginanap kahapon ang groundbreaking ceremony ng pinangunahan ni Arjo Atayde. Baseless? I think not. Dinaluan nila Cap Vicente Llamas, Project SIF at kanyang konseho para sa construction ng flood control structure tributaries along Kulyat Creek. Nasasaupan ng Barangay 6 Project Quezon City. Ito ang simula pa lang ng proyekto para sa ating distrito. Sa pamagitan ng ating pinagtutulong-tulungan ng ating barangay, hindi ko na mabasa kasi may harang. Checkmate! Main Mendoza, paano mo i-explain yan? Hindi siya baseless. May basis siya. Ang baseless, kung saan na lang yan manggagaling, walang kahit anong dokumento, walang kanong interview, the fact na may dalawa tayong napakita rito, isang documentary at isang interview, public interview, no less, ng mayor ng Quezon City. Meron. Sa pula, sa puti, tanggal lang mali. At hindi lang yan mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. I would like to offer you a bonus, okay? Bonus lang naman to. Kasi kanina pa ako nagre-research dito, meron akong mga nahanap na mga tao rito. Eto, galing to kay Chopsticks 8. Shout out sa inyo. I-ano ka kayo. Hindi, Inquirer pala to. Galing sa Inquirer. Okay, pagingin natin.
Pati yung travel nila Main tsaka ni Arjo, nasisilip na rin.
Alam mo ba yung tunay na dahilan bakit nasisilip yung mga travel nila?
Bakit?
Kasi sinabi ni Main na, di ba nag-post siya, pinagtatanggol niya si Arjo. Sabi niya dun sa post niya,
Arjo has been doing his best to serve the people of Quezon City since day one.
So yung mga tao, tingnan naman yung mga post ni Main, makikita mo dun na halos every month sila nagta-travel for the past year.
Another one. Call me DJ Khalid because this is another one. Diba? Bakasyonista. May ebidensya na naman. So it's not baseless at all, Main Mendoza. You have to answer for this. Not because nagde-demand yung ako or any content creator out there. You have to answer for this because your husband is not just any husband. Hindi lang siya artista. He is a public, not just any public figure. He is a public servant. Therefore, he is answerable to the people of this country. I rest my case, mga lods. Baseless pala, ha? Yun lang naman po yung sa akin for today, Gege, mga